Have you ever wondered why so many people never make it past the age of 85? Here's a shocking fact. Only about 15% of people today live beyond 85 years old. And while we often blame genetics, science shows that lifestyle choices and hidden daily mistakes are far more powerful than genes when it comes to longevity. The truth is, most seniors aren't dying just because of old age. They're dying because of 6 preventable mistakes that slowly damage the body over time. The worst part? Most people don't even realize they're making these mistakes until it's too late. In this video, I'll uncover those 6 hidden mistakes that silently cut life short, and most importantly, I'll give you practical, step-by-step ways to avoid them so you can add more years, energy, and happiness to your life. So, if you want to stay strong, sharp, and alive well past 85, keep watching, because what you'll learn today might just save your life. Mistake number 1, ignoring small warning signs from the body. One of the biggest reasons people die earlier than they should is simple: they ignore their body's whispers until they turn into screams. Think about it: that occasional chest tightness, the shortness of breath after a short walk, the constant indigestion you dismiss as just age. These aren't normal. They're early warning signs. Doctors say that more than 70% of heart attacks and strokes show minor symptoms months in advance. But many seniors brush them off. Practical survival tips. 1. Keep a health journal. Write down recurring aches, pains, or changes in sleep, mood, or digestion. 2. Never ignore unusual fatigue. If you feel exhausted after simple activities, it could mean heart or lung issues. 3. Get preventive checkups. Annual blood pressure, cholesterol, diabetes, and heart tests can catch silent killers before they strike. 4. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, don't wait. Early action can add years to your life. Ignoring small signs is like ignoring smoke in the kitchen. By the time you see the fire, it's too late. Mistake number 2, poor sleep habits. Here's a secret: lack of proper sleep can shorten your life just as much as smoking. Studies show that seniors who consistently sleep less than 6 hours a night have a 33% higher risk of dying early. Why? Because during deep sleep, your body repairs cells, clears toxins from the brain, and strengthens memory. Without it, your heart, brain, and immune system slowly break down. Practical survival tips. 1. Maintain a bedtime routine. Go to sleep and wake up at the same time every day. 2. Create a sleep-friendly environment. Dark room, no TV, no phone in bed. 3. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals at night. They disrupt deep sleep cycles. 4. Use natural aids. Herbal teas like chamomile or warm milk can relax the body. Think of sleep as your body's nightly tune-up. Without it, you're running on worn-out parts. Mistake number 3, neglecting muscle and strength. Most seniors believe aging automatically means becoming weak, fragile, and dependent. But here's the truth: muscle loss isn't just about age, it's about neglect. After 50, the average person loses 1 to 2% of muscle every year if they don't exercise. This condition, called sarcopenia, is one of the main reasons older adults fall, break bones, and never recover. Practical survival tips. 1. Do strength training twice a week. Light weights, resistance bands, or even bodyweight exercises like squats and push-ups can rebuild muscle. 2. Prioritize protein. Aim for protein at every meal: eggs, fish, chicken, beans, or lentils. 3. Stay active daily. Walking, gardening, or light stretching keeps muscles engaged. 4. Balance exercises. Yoga or Tai Chi can prevent falls by improving coordination. Remember, strong muscles are the secret to independence. They keep you standing tall and alive. Mistake number 4, emotional isolation and loneliness. Here's something most people don't realize: loneliness can kill faster than smoking 15 cigarettes a day. Studies reveal that seniors who feel socially isolated are 50% more likely to die early than those who stay connected. The stress hormones triggered by loneliness damage the heart, immune system, and even the brain. Practical survival tips. 1. Stay socially connected. Regular phone calls, video chats, or coffee with friends can make a big difference. 2. Join groups or communities. Book clubs, religious gatherings, or volunteering give life purpose. 3. Adopt a pet. Dogs or cats provide companionship and reduce stress. 4. Talk about your feelings. Don't bottle up emotions, share them with loved ones or a counselor. Humans are built for connection. When we cut ourselves off, we shorten our own life. Mistake number 5, relying too much on medication instead of lifestyle. Another hidden mistake? Believing pills can replace healthy habits. Of course, medications save lives, but relying on them while ignoring diet, exercise, and stress is like trying to fix a leaking roof by placing buckets under the water instead of repairing the hole. High blood pressure pills won't help if you keep eating salty, processed food. Diabetes medication won't save you if you never move your body. Practical survival tips. 1. See medication as support, not the solution. Combine it with better lifestyle habits. 2. Eat whole foods. More vegetables, fruits, whole grains, lean proteins. Less processed junk. 3. Exercise regularly. Even 30 minutes of walking daily improves blood pressure, sugar, and cholesterol. 4. Work with your doctor. Never stop medication suddenly, but ask about lifestyle strategies to reduce doses over time. Pills can extend life, but only if you also do your part. Mistake number 6, living without a sense of purpose. Here's the final and perhaps most surprising mistake, living without purpose. Research on the blue zones, regions where people live the longest, shows that the most powerful secret to longevity isn't diet or exercise. It's purpose. People who wake up every morning with something meaningful to do, whether it's caring for family, gardening, helping others, or learning, live longer, happier lives. On the other hand, seniors who retire into boredom often decline rapidly. The mind weakens, the body slows, and motivation disappears. Practical survival tips. 1. Find a daily reason to wake up. It could be small, watering plants, walking a neighbor's dog, reading to grandchildren. 2. Set new goals. Age doesn't stop you from learning, creating, or giving back. 3. Help others. Volunteering creates deep fulfillment and keeps you active. 4. Keep curiosity alive. Read, travel, learn a language, or explore a hobby. Purpose is like fuel. Without it, life runs out too soon. So there you have it, the 6 hidden mistakes that silently cut life short before 85. 1. Ignoring small warning signs. 2. Poor sleep habits. 3. Neglecting muscle and strength. 4. Emotional isolation. 5. Over-relying on medication. 6. Living without purpose. The good news? Every single one of these mistakes is completely avoidable. By paying attention, taking action, and building healthier habits, you can not only live longer but also live better. Imagine yourself at 90, still walking competently, still laughing with loved ones, still waking up each day excited about life. That's not just a dream, it's possible if you start today. If this video gave you valuable insight, don't keep it to yourself, share it with someone you love. It might save their life, too. And before you go, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment below telling me which of these mistakes surprised you the most. Together, let's build a community that grows stronger, wiser, and healthier with age. Thank you for watching, and remember, your best years can still be ahead of you.